Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are going to be making 13 doodles from the letters A to M. So in today's video we are going to be making drawings from the first half of the English alphabet, and in the next video we'll be doing the second half. So I'll just tell you what drawing we are doing with each letter. So with A we are making a ladybug. With B we are making a bird. With C we are making a globe. With D we are making a fish. With E we are making a ladder. With F we are making a flag. With G we are making a girl. With H we are making a house. With I, we are making a lollipop. With J, we are making an umbrella. With K, we are making a turtle. With L, we are making a snail. And with M, we are making a tote bag. So after you're done with the drawing, you're totally free to color it if you like, but we are not doing this here. And yes, if you're enjoying the drawing, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for part 2 that's coming, in which we'll be doing doodles with letters from N to Z. And our drawing is done. Thanks for watching and bye.